What if the device promising to make your fruits and vegetables safer in minutes is mostly relying on marketing instead of proven science? PuriBreeze Produce Cleaner is advertised as a high-tech cleaner that uses herein electrolysis to remove pesticides, bacteria, and toxins from produce, but the actual evidence behind these claims appears surprisingly thin. The promotional materials use impressive-sounding terms such as herein, electrolysis, and microbubbles, yet there is no clear explanation of how these mechanisms have been independently tested for the specific claims being made. One of the biggest concerns is the lack of publicly available verified lab testing, recognized certifications, or clinical data showing that this device consistently removes harmful residues or significantly reduces contamination compared with normal washing methods. Many demonstrations show dirty-looking water after use, but that does not automatically prove that pesticides or dangerous substances were removed. Discoloration can occur for several reasons and is often used as a visual marketing tactic. Another red flag is that very similar devices appear to be sold under multiple brand names and can be found on wholesale marketplaces for a fraction of the advertised retail price. The product is often promoted with heavy discounts, limited stock warnings, and glowing testimonials that are difficult to independently verify, while some listings also use images that appear generic or AI-generated. At the same time, that does not necessarily mean the device is a complete scam. Electrolysis is a real process, and some users may find that it helps with rinsing produce. The key issue is whether the dramatic claims about removing pesticides, bacteria, and toxins are supported by strong independent evidence. And based on the information currently available, the marketing appears much stronger than the proof. If you are considering PuriBreeze, focus on verifiable testing, realistic expectations, and whether the claimed benefits justify the price rather than relying on the promotional demonstrations alone.